you up. We finna get you together.
Hop in a motherfucking jet like that. Them in it there, them in that like that. They were like, Pop, why you all like that? Why you tall like that? Why you all like that?
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. My name is Samaya Marie, aka Maya, and today I will be doing a tutorial on how I do my everyday eyebrows. So if you're liking this look, you came to the right place, because we finna hook you up. We finna get you together. So we're not gonna waste no time. Let's just get right into the video. It's starting now. Okay. Don't mind how I look now. Y'all seen how I was looking in the intro. I got y'all. So you're gonna need a few things. You're going to need a concealer. You need a flat makeup brush. You gonna need this because you're just gonna need it. Also, you're going to need whatever eyebrow pencil you're going to use, and about the pencil that you use for your eyebrows. I would recommend for beginners that you use like a brown and not a black. You're also going to need a foundation. This makes the whole blending process way easier. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline FIT Matte Plus Poreless. This is Warm Honey. So I don't know, like, if you're my shade, I don't know if that's helpful, but this is what I will be using. And then lastly, you're going to need some type of blending sponge. It's not really like something that you need per se, but it does make the whole process easier. Okay, so let's just get into it. So I have like rounded sort of eyebrows, and I'm gonna just say this now. You don't want to like exaggerate, how do I say this, like follow your eyebrow shape. Don't do anything extra. Just follow your eyebrow shape. Trust me, it's gonna help you in the process. I can't look at the camera. I'm gonna have to look this way, but I'm gonna look back and forth to let y'all know. Okay, so first I'm going to start at the front of my eyebrow, and I'm going to lightly drag my pencil in like light strokes along this area. Now, I don't always get it right the first time. Sometimes I have to like redo it, but this is how it's looking so far. And then I'll elongate it in the front. Now that is something that a lot of people do, is elongate their eyebrows. Kind of like that. So, because I naturally just have like small eyebrows. Like, I rarely have eyebrows. If you have eyebrows, you're lucky, because baby, we can trade.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day or night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
You're going to take a little bit of your foundation, and what you want to do is, see, oh snap, that was so scary. I thought I messed up. You want to take your foundation, you want to go underneath your eyebrow, and you want to go on top of your concealer. Now, as you can see, this is slightly darker than what's going on up here. Like, it's a slight difference. But let me show you. Of my makeup, and then like y'all gonna see the full effects of the eyebrows. Okay, boom, so this is the finished look. We got some clothes, added a little bit of, you know, jewelry, something simple, and then did my edges, all that good stuff. So hope you guys got the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. Be sure to comment and hit that bell button. Also with the comments, let me know your thoughts. I'm open to feedback, everything else. Lastly, subscribe so you can be part of the babes. Again, thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. And I guess the rest of the video. Bye, babes.
Hop in a motherfucking jet like jet.